Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
At the Mobile World Congress, Motorola had showcased their entire G7 lineup, and in that, the best phone was the Moto G7 Plus. This is the Moto G7 Plus that was showcased at the MWC 2019 in Barcelona, and it does look brilliant. With the design, this is the best of all the Moto G7 phones, the G7, G7 Plus, the G7 Power and the Play. Out of the four, you can see this is the glass back. It comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the back, and this is the Viva Red option. There's also a deep indigo color option, but this one looks much better than that. And it has a dual lens camera combination on the back where you have a 16MP f1.7 camera with the PDAF as well as the OIS support, and there's a 5 megapixel f2.2 depth camera on the back, and there's also the 4K video recording support. So this is the 6.2-inch display with the 1080x2070 pixels of screen resolution, 19:9 aspect ratio, and there's that little notch on the top that is for the front-facing camera. This phone runs under 9Pi, and that's a good thing again, and it has the basic gestures like the swiping of fingerprints for the notification to drag down the panel down, and this has one option that is with the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and along with that you have all the basic Moto experience section with the applications as Moto Actions as well as Moto Display, and there is no bloatware except for the Google applications that you see here. That's a good thing about the Moto phones, where you don't have any unnecessary applications. So this is the Moto Actions where you see lift to unlock, media controls, screenshot editor, also the 3-finger screenshot, 1-button nav to enhance the area on the display, and also quick capture where you can actually chop to turn on flashlight and twist to capture, and there's the Moto Display where you have a couple of options, and this is all to enhance the user experience. The camera here, as said, was a dual lens camera combination on the back, and on the front there's a 12 megapixel selfie camera that can also capture 4K videos. So 4K is possible with both the rear and the front facing cameras. You have the slow motion and time lapse options as well, and you have the YouTube Live where you can actually live stream from directly the camera application. From the rear camera it's 4K, and for the slow motion recording you can see it's a full HD slow motion recording that is possible, and with the front facing camera as well it's 4K UHD capture that can be done for the videos. So there are quite a lot of options in the camera application, and still you can do quite a lot, but in the end it all comes down to how good the pricing of the phone would be. Since it comes with a 3000 mAh battery with a support for the 27 watt charging, that is fast charging, and that is a quick charge 4.0. So everything looks quite good in the phone. Even the selfie camera seems to be quite decent in that way, but in the end again we would say that if this is priced over 20,000 rupees in India, if it launches in the future, I don't think it would be a good sell, thanks to that Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset, which is the 14nm chipset, quite common in the Indian market already, and now an older one. So we would have hoped for a better chipset, but that's not possible here. And this is all about the Moto G7 Plus smartphone that was showcased at MWC 2019. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.